Welcome everyone to Just Buy One House, and thank you for watching this video. If you're new to this channel, I want to share with you why I created this retirement planning series. For the past 40 plus years, I've seen too many good people follow traditional investment advice, put their money in the stock market for no predictable return or financial planning result. Then when the high stock market returns do not materialize, they have a choice. Do I retire or not retire? And if they do retire, they run the very real risk of outliving their money when they need it the most. My purpose or my why for creating this video is to show you a safer and better path to building lasting wealth and retire with less money invested. And in retirement, for you to be able to live on the income from your investment in real estate. What if I told you that buying just one house could change your financial future? That's right, just one house or rental property has the power to transform the way you think about saving and investing. Buying just one house or investment property is about creating a lifelong income stream that increases and protects you in retirement. The magic happens the moment you buy your first house. Suddenly, you are no longer just saving, you are investing in your future. Once you see how it works with each mortgage payment, how you're building equity, you'll be thinking to yourself, why stop with one? You're helping your clients build a foundation of financial security that grows with every property they own. Are you ready to show your clients how just one house can lead to financial freedom? If you haven't seen my other videos, I'd like to share a little information about myself. I'm Jeff Seibel, certified financial planner, real estate broker with over 40 years of financial planning and real estate investing experience, and I'm the creator of the Wealth Agent Educational Training. Let's get started, and welcome to Just Buy One House. Let's review what you will learn. How most people should just buy one house because it could put them on the path of financial independence. Some possible reasons why most people do not invest in real estate. How to reduce their fears of the unknown by sharing and showing your farm members how an all-star team of experts can help them before and after they buy their first house or rental property. How real estate investors that invest for income have enjoyed historical increases in real estate values and rental incomes over time, which have provided generally more predictable wealth building and retirement planning results than the stock market. You will learn future potential real estate values and annual net rental incomes for different assumed inflation rates. Believe it or not, one house could be the beginning of helping someone become financially independent, be able to retire with less money invested, enable them to live on the income from their investments, and prevent them from outliving their money in retirement when they need it the most. The hardest part about real estate investing is buying that first property. My mother-in-law Barbara bought her first rental property in her 70s. She was unfamiliar with buying investment real estate, but she knew that she needed to do something to prevent outliving her money, so she took the leap of faith. After she bought her first rental property, she couldn't wait to find her second property. She was hooked. She saw how investing for income gave her peace of mind and allowed her to maintain her lifestyle. Most people do not invest in real estate for a variety of reasons. Let's look at why. Fear of the unknown, lack of adequate investment knowledge, doesn't have a trusted advisor to guide them. Regardless of whether you're looking to buy an investment property or buy or sell your next home like a seasoned investor, we can refer you to a wealth agent in your local market. Thinks the stock market provides better returns. The fear of having bad tenants, property management concerns, vacancy, repairs, etc. And we've all heard this one, don't want to fix toilets or have late night phone calls. What are the advantages of having an all-star team of experts? It reduces the fears of the unknown by sharing and showing them how an all-star team of experts can help them before and after they buy their first rental property. Their first rental property is their most important investment. Why are real estate prices always increasing over time? It's mainly because of inflation and demand. What is a house? It's made up of lumber, stones, bricks, mortar, and the prices of goods and services go up each year. But how can one house begin the process of making retirement better and build wealth for someone that needs income at a time when working may not be an option? I will show you. I have a question for you. What if somebody in 1960 just bought one house and after 30 years they retired and they lived another 30 years in retirement? How well do you think they did for this 60-year period? If a real estate investor purchased one rental house in 1960 for $11,900 and retired 30 years later, it would be worth $79,100 at retirement. And after 30 years of retirement, it would have increased to $329,000. Please take a look at other periods. Do you see that real estate investing is very predictable? If a median-priced home in 1960 was worth $11,900 and we assume annual net rental income percentage rate was 5%, then just one house provided $595 of annual net rental income. In 1990, when they retired, a $79,100 rental property would provide almost $4,000 of annual net rental income. And on their last year of retirement, after 30 years, their annual net rental income is estimated to be about $16,000 and change. Do you see how real estate values and rental incomes have kept pace with inflation to help real estate investors maintain their lifestyle and purchasing power when planning for retirement and for in-retirement planning? Now, all local markets are different. What does a good rental property sell for, and how much annual net rental income does it provide in your local market? Do you know that real estate across this country has increased at a compound rate of over 6%? That is a very big deal from an investment and financial planning perspective. Do you see in most decades, highlighted in yellow, homes increase a lot more than 4%? If the median home price in 2020 was $329,000, what would just one house be worth if someone wanted to retire in 20 years? You can see by 2040 what this one house would be projected to be worth at different inflation rates. Real estate generally keeps pace with inflation and works for the benefit of real estate investors. After 30 years, on the last year of retirement, take a look at what one house would be worth for these different inflation rates. If you would like a free copy of this booklet entitled The 10 Main Reasons Why Most Stock Investors Fail When Saving for Retirement, or would like a complimentary consultation, please click the link below. If someone buys just one house, how much annual net rental income could one house provide on the first and last year of retirement? If just one house provides about $16,000 of annual net rental income in 2020, it is projected to provide between $35,000 to about $51,000 after 20 years at retirement, depending on the inflation rate. And on the last year of retirement, after 30 years, it is projected annual net rental income could be about $113,000 or nearly $300,000. Do you see how buying just one house can provide amazing income growth when planning for retirement and for in-retirement planning? Real estate investors invest for income, and in retirement, the real estate and the rental income generally increases to maintain purchasing power and their lifestyle in retirement. Imagine starting with just one house or rental property. And over time, it grows to 2, 3, 4, 5 or more, depending on your needs. Think about the steady income it could provide and the incredible value of that real estate in the future. That's how lasting wealth is built. If you're a real estate agent ready to level up your business, boost your income, and stand out as a true professional, it's time to become a certified wealth agent. Take our certified wealth agent training and get your new designation at wealthagent.com and become part of a movement of elite professionals showing clients how to retire early with less money invested. Don't just sell real estate, transform lives and dominate your market. If you would like to find out how to retire early with less money invested through real estate, or would like a second opinion on your current retirement plan, we're here to help. Visit wealthagent.com to schedule your complimentary consultation today. Dream bigger, retire sooner. Your new path begins now. Please go to wealthagent.com to learn more. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.